Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to help out the boys out there, okay? If you are currently single, mingling, and you want to score, right? You want to have sex on the first date. Here is how it's going to happen. I'm going to give you a really quick play-by-play, okay? Now, if you've watched any of my past videos, you would know that I am a firm believer in a proper talking phase before you even go on your first date. And to me, a proper talking phase is 3 to 4 weeks of intentional conversations, getting to know each other, from favorite color to if you went to church when you were younger, to if you were married before, to the kinks that you have. Everything. Cover 90% of, you know, I wouldn't go to finances though. I would not discuss finances. We can discuss where you work if you have a job, but I wouldn't discuss like credit score and stuff like that. That's after the first date. Now, if you are looking to skip the talking phase and just jump right into a first date, you want to make sure that you and the person that you're trying to sleep with have a good connection. The connection is what's going to determine whether or not this person decides to sleep with you. Where you take the person, matters, because it has to be somewhere that they enjoy, right? So where you take the person does matter. So it could be a movie theater, it could be a 5-star restaurant, it could be bowling, it could be golfing, whatever it is that the two of you enjoy doing, right? So the place does matter. I'm not going to say it doesn't, but you have to know what type of activities it is that this person likes. You have to make sure that the person actually likes you. I just said that you have to make sure that the vibe is right, the connection is there. You have to make sure this person likes you. If you watch the video on the girl who ate the false 8 oysters on the date, she, based on how they were communicating with each other, you could tell that she didn't like him. Right off the bat, she didn't like him. She decided to go on this date with him because she was already going to eat, she was bored, and just wanted someone to be there, right? Whether she wanted him to foot the bill or not, I don't know, but she was, freaked out by the fact that he didn't pay the bill, so that was a whole other thing. Anyways, but based on the backstory of her not even wanting to really, like, he's been in her DMs pretty much talking to himself, that should be your first, like, red flag, your first warning sign. If you're talking to yourself constantly in this person's DMs, and then one day out of the blue they're like, okay, let's go out, you're not going to have sex. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen for you. I'm sorry. If there is no interest right off the bat, if there's no conversations being had, no communication, no flirting, no nothing, it's not going to happen, because there has to be a level of attraction on both parts. Okay? You can't just think, oh, I have money, so she has to sleep with me. Oh, I took her to this restaurant, so she has to sleep with me. Oh, I spent this much amount on her, so she has to leave with me. That's not how it works. The vibe has to be there. Communication has to be on point. There has to be a level of attraction. Like, there has to be a level of attraction, and you will know from the first conversation. You will know if she's attracted to you or not. If she's continuing to speak to you, there is a level of attraction there. Okay? Now, when you guys are communicating before this first date, try not to make the conversations too sexual. Lots of women are turned off by that, even if she was planning on sleeping with you anyways. Lots of women, here's the thing. Let me get this out of the way. Women like sex. Women like sex a lot. Women like good sex. And this is why a lot of men end up with women who they don't deserve. That makes sense? Like, you see a couple and you're like, oh my gosh, you could do way better. It's probably because of the sex. A lot of men do not know how to bring a woman to orgasm. A lot of men are very selfish lovers. A lot of men don't take the time to learn the woman properly, to know what it is that she likes and what she wants done. A lot of men do not want to do any of the work. They just want to get her nut and that's it. Right? So if she's attracted to you, it's very likely that she's going to sleep with you. Okay? So do not make the conversation too sexual right out the gates. Okay? If she agreed to meet with you at your house, right? Do not make it weird. Do not make it sexual. She's probably going to sleep with you. The fact that she agreed to come over, she's probably going to sleep with you. Do not make it weird. Do not make it creepy. Okay? The fact that she decided to go out with you, she's probably going to sleep with you. Do not make it weird. Do not make it creepy. The moment you do that, she's instantly turned off. Okay? The moment it becomes, oh, I did this, so you're gonna come back and do that with me, right? No, because no, it sounds like an ultimatum. No, it sounds like prostitution. No, it sounds like you're trying to buy it, and that's not what we're doing. You're making it seem like it's not her choice, like she is obligated to you, and that's not what we're doing. So we want you to relax, be cool, enjoy the moment, have proper conversations. Okay? If the conversation gets sexual, then it does. But you don't want to steer it too deep in that direction. If she's flirting with you, it's fine to flirt back. That is fine. But let things naturally progress. Okay? Okay? I feel like you should be able to tell when a particular vibe is there. If also, it's very possible that she's the type to take charge. So if she's, wanting you to hold her hand, or wants more hugs, or wants more kisses, then you can follow her lead on that. But yeah, just don't be weird. Just don't be weird. Make sure the vibes are right. Make sure the communication is on point. Communication is very, very important. With women, we're stimulated through our minds first, right? If you can get us to engage with you in a conversation, then you're halfway there. You make the conversation too sexual, then it's like, oh my gosh, here's another one. And this is not in any way this advice is not to be used to trick anyone into having sex with you, right? If you know that this woman is looking for something serious, do not pursue her if you're not looking for something serious. Ask the question. Ask if she's single, right? Ask if she's separated. Ask if she has children. Ask if she's looking for anything serious. Ask if she is dating for longevity, or she's just dating for fun, and then you can go from there. If she is dating for marriage or dating for longevity, you are responsible. You need to be responsible enough to let her know that that's not your intention. That's not what you're trying to do, Okay, you want something light, you want something fun, you're not looking for anything serious. Okay, let her decide if she wants to continue to talk to you, if she wants to go on this date with you, because then she will know, okay, this is probably just going to be for sex. And who knows, the sex might be amazing and the two of you have sex forever. But yeah, that's just my 2 cents on the matter. If you have any other opinions, leave it in the comment section below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face.